Now, if one wish to quickly get enlightened, then you must have to make aspiration prayer to Pure Land. The Sukhavati is the easiest for the beings to be born there. And once you are born there, then all these conditions to practice the Dharma is available. And so that is why, as a practitioner, then you must make this aspiration and practice so that you can be born in this pure land. And that has been said by Guru Rinpoche and Majik Lapton and many other great masters. This instruction was given, and to practice this pure land. And now knowing that you're now taking this profound empowerment, then that will not be born there or like that kind of conceptual thoughts. So now to take this empowerment with single-pointed devotion to Buddha Amitabha, and then thinking that you are going to that devotion to Buddha Amitabha and his pure land.
Sorvande so Wanguru Zor.
Sorvande so Wanguru Zor.
Sorvande so Wanguru Zor. Sorvande so Wanguru Zor.
And all these empowerment substances are also the real presence of Buddha-Vidava, Siddheshwara, and Vajrapani. So thinking that in front of them, you are taking refuge and Bodhicitta, repeat.
Konjo Sumla, Dansha Chi, Dikwa Minge, Sosoro Sha, Rovi Gela, Jie Rong, Sanje Shangju, Yi Zong, Sanje Chodang, Chonjo La, Shangju Pardo, Chaksu Che, Rangjen Dönyi, Rabdu Shir, Shangju Chogi, Semne Je Paraji, Shangju Chogi, Semne Je Na, Semjen Panje, Dagin Rando Nil, Shangju Shenjo, Yawon Je Paraji, Rola Pensil, Sanje Rubarashu, Rola Pensil, Sanje Rubarashu, Rola Pensil, Sanje Rubarashu, Kawangi Jinga Villedo, Rama Jaranam, Obama, Kotuko, Dewa Jinji Shingang Yonsu Zoba Melon Nange Sunye Sarva Dara Obame Tokol Sunje Kule Didi Jimba Kumba Kang Kundi Nang Narara Pabe Chira Nange Chiu 성분의 주시오 되는 제 걸론데 말랑 주지 걸론인가 주지 걸론도 주지 걸론 신소면 제 건들이 이제 이제 되는 device down to the pushing on the jury carwadan temporal homshi.
And now Vishnu has this verse which has all these characters, and inside that recites the complete the Buddha land of Dhammitama, Sukhavati, and then from the mainly from the three principal deities of Buddha, Western Buddha field, and then the nectar comes out from them and fill the whole verse, and then from this verse comes out and then goes in you from your crown chakra, crown opening, and then it fills your crown chakra of great release, and then the throat chakra of the abundance, and then the heart chakra of Dharma chakra, and then the navel chakra of manifestation, and then the secret chakra of bliss, and then in that they think that from the ground all the way to the soul, you are completely filled with this wisdom nectar, and then you receive the four empowerments, four observations are purified, and then you are made fortunate to actualize the four eyes.